Life, Lord gave us to live in this world. Parents guide us to do things we should. To be good, to be honest, to share and to care and to love. This world is full of trials and temptations. Resist the bad things like we always should. Stay good, stay honest, keep sharing and caring, keep on loving. Life on earth will come to an end. We will face the truth on Judgment Day. Devil's calling on me. Hell no, no, heaven I go. Ooh, Lord, I'm weak, living in this world. I need your guidance to life everlasting. Give me strength, give me power to do what is right. Lead me, Lord. Life on earth will come to an end. We will face the truth on Judgment Day. Forgive me, my Lord. Take me to heaven with you. Ooh, forgive me, forgive me. Forgive me, O Lord, forgive us, O Lord. Lead us to heaven with you. Dat ako ay igulot, ulay mo kang kadan igulot, amut ako matay munwalo. Munwalot ako kang kabunyan for blessings. Kahit dagiti anak tayo, samken hikaya hawa na, learn to pray. When time comes, ay adi ka muna ni kam, mampalintumang ka, manadawag ka, ay kabunyan, magang ka, iduman at ko'y matago na kanan. Amamud tayo, umidantod amili ka, may di agimhinan ang kamangkamangan. Yarit mampalintumang tan, igid di freeway, hitat mangkalalagang kabunyan. Bendisyon mo't lang na idawat na. Katalada kayo sinasawa, hang kanak-kanan di amamaya inin, maganak kayo ado-ado. Gumabay ng isukyo. Tamaan nyo ng plisyuta, lumako kayo Hilux, Innova Land Cruiser. Padakdakalin nyo ng bayo, tanong umali na auntie, ang kilay mampasyal, warang kahipanda. Tampay abo, madu-ado ang talakan nyo. Hikait pumalti adi at mampasalamat ako ken Apo Kabunian for more blessings.